guys, welcome back to the Danger Ranger. Now, it's the Digital Rangers for when the Digital Warrior is back with us. So it's going to be the Digital Rangers for right now in every video. And when I'm at his house, it's still the Danger Warriors.
The Danger Warriors is when he's at my house?
Yeah, Danger Rangers.
Digital Rangers is when we're at his.
Yeah, Digital Rangers right now. This guy, the Digital Warrior, aka Chris, is staying at the Danger Ranger, aka me, Grant, his house. Ow, mother! The guy just threw the sword at me. I'm gonna.
I'm trying to. My hands are sweaty.
My hands are sweaty. Oh, no! Okay. Yeah, I forget about that. Anyways, today we have lots of people today with us. We have Chris, Grant, Chris, and Grant, okay?
That's
So,
only 4 people. That's not a lot.
okay, so it's actually just basically us. So, we are going to build put Turret down.
Termit's just taking over my hands.
It's Kermit, but Termit. Because look at his swabbed goody face.
Oh, what are you doing?
Kiss him. Yeah,
I'm coming
good
to
times.
eat your bowl. You will not post this video.
Punched him in the face, okay? Now, we are going to build the greatest structure of cushions ever. We are going to...
The pillow lanch.
Yeah, the pillow launch, actually.
The
So,
pillow lanch.
no, it's not the Avalanche. It's an avalanche is what...
Pillows.
Is Yeah, made out of pillows. So this is...
Soft and half safe avalanche.
Yeah, so we're going to start from the stairs at the top.
I have stepped.
Yeah, but we're going to start at the stairs and go all the way down to the bottom. All right, guys? Yeah. That's what we're going to do in that, so yeah.
Should I kill Termit?
Turbert, no.
Once he's been knocked out, once he gets unconscious, once he comes back, once he gets more conscious.
Hello, Digital Warrior, aka Chris. You cannot, remember, I cannot stop this video at all. See this record button? I cannot, even though this is on my phone. Let's do this. Now we are going to stop building. But first, oh no, where's my construction worker hat? Ah, screwed. Aw, dang it.
What?
Stupid little sister. She's leaving pics all over these.
Do you have any other construction hat I can use?
Nope. I don't want to get my hands on all of it. Anyways, let's go. Construction worker style. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Digital Warrior, aka Christopher John.
Ow! What was that for?
Tried to put this stupid thing on your head. Now, construction worker.
Hurt my face.
Look at me. Are you ready? Then let's do this.
Oh my God.
No, we are not doing an avalanche. Well, actually, yeah. But we first have to move this. This is the mini avalanche.
AKA one pillow.
Excuse me, my friendly assistant. Can you hold this? And you are my assistant for right now.
Here we go.
Look.
Yes.
Let's rip it, fellas.
Yeah?
Ready?
Yes.
Set. We. Whoa. That's actually a little scary. Whoa. Okay, wait. Did you zoom in and zoom out? I didn't know this.
Yeah, I can see it.
Ba-ba-da-ba. Okay, thank you. Well, keep holding this. Okay.
Yes,
Actually, I'll hold it. Okay. Good night, my sister. Yes, sorry about that. My horrible sister did that. Horribly. So, now, let's get to it.
All right, let's start building our piss or fjord.
A fjord.
It's called the pillow fort, and then we will destroy.
No, first we gotta build the avalanche.
First we'll build the avalanche, but we have to make a fjord out of the cushions.
So we're gonna be doing a video, Mom and Ted. So, we are, but we're gonna do an avalanche.
I want to be able to listen to the game.
Uh-huh. Anyway, wait, what? Built this stupid fort, peasant. Try again, but make it harder. Risk. Oh, look, here comes Santa Claus. Here comes meh. Christmas pudding, no doubt. Dang it. Okay, so I'm gonna get all the hard stuff out of here. I'm moving all the... First, I'm moving all the hard stuff out of the way, friend. Alright, my good friends. Just have to move this darn thing right here. Find something else, dog. Wait. Hold it. Hold this, and I'm gonna jump on it.
The bad idea. That took me forever to build.
Okay, we'll both jump on it then.
No, I do not want to jump on it. I want to build it first, then avalanche on it.
No, we need the cushions for the avalanche.
Well, mostly a fort. It's just a walled-in area. So,
whoops.
Dude, really, that took me forever to build. Oh my God! At least that was a cushion. You know what? I'm gonna be Mario for the rest of this video, so I can take over Grant whenever I want with Cappy.
Alright, now, help me, fella.
Oh wait, guys, if you're just tuning in, we're trying to do a pillow fort.
This ain't a live stream, fool. Now help me.
Wait, this isn't a live stream?
No, dude, I can't do a live stream, remember?
Oh.
Yeah. Dude, we only have I can only do 15 minutes on this, and we already wasted 8 minutes or 7. Now come on, let's get building. Danger. Ooh, shoot, are you good?
My nose was safe.
Mother Tubber! Thug life, okay?
Cappy is not really healthy right now. Cappy, can you sit here? Okay. That's fun.
Yeah, okay, so, dude, help me build all this. We got...
I did build the fort.
We are building this thing that's... It's gonna be stupid crazy. I'm gonna get cushions, too.
So wait, how are we gonna knock this down?
Oh, we push with our legs. Okay. Mom says she's gonna be paid off at me for shit. Oh shoot, my dog.
He left, that's all.
Okay, now you pick up all these covers.
Yeah? Why do we have all these covers?
We need it for the avalanche. I've done this thousands of times. How do you think I haven't done this in a video?
Don't chuck anything on me.
Too late.
Let me chuck stuff on me. I don't want you chucking. People are watching this.
They are not live streaming yet.
Where's the camera?
I have it. Moron. Do not. Hey, Chris. One of the viewers just called you a moron. Someone left in the comment section, you're a moron.
Oh, you are.
Oh, son of a gun.
How about you come down and watch this?
Yeah. Oliver Doggy, the the canine ranger. All right. Oh, mother tubber, mother gubber, mother. I got all these. Oh man, yeah, I love drugs. Oh man, yeah, I stupid love drugs. That's what he says. Drug brother, he's got all those kinds of drugs. I'm just kidding. It's not drugs. Do not ask what drugs are, kids. If you do, I will be banned from YouTube.
Gosh, Oliver!
No, mother tubber! Oliver!
No! Video destroyed. Well,
You are a bad danger dog canine.
All down there.
Chris, really?
So I want to hear it.
But you know what? We're gonna use his dog bed for a minute. Okay. Dude, we only have 5 minutes left.
Oh, go. Finish the video. You know what? We'll just have to do the Avalanche right now.
No. I can stop this. We'll finish this later, guys.